Hello kids, today we will learn about numbers from 1 to 20. From 1 to 20. Okay, let's start. One, 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 two, 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 three, 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 four, 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 five, 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 six, 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 seven, 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 eight, 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 nine, 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 10, 10, 10, 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, 16, 17, 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 19, 19, 19, 20, 20, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.